Understanding positions and directions. Hello, little explorers. Let's learn some position words like in, on, under, above, and next to. These words help us describe where things are. In. Something is inside. The ball is in the box. The toy is in the basket. On. Something is resting on the surface. The book is on the table. The pencil is on the notebook. Under. Something is below or beneath. The cat is under the chair. The shoes are under the bed. Above. Something is higher but not touching. The clock is above the door. The painting is above the sofa. Next to. Something is beside or close. The lamp is next to the sofa. The dog is next to the boy. In front of. Something is in front of another. The boy is in front of the car. The chair is in front of the desk. Behind. Something is at the back. The dog is behind the couch. The girl is behind the curtain. Between. Something is in the middle of two. The apple is between the books. The cup is between two plates.
Hello, little learners. Thanks for your support. Like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Tutors TV. Tap the bell to see our next fun video.